Well, today we're being told that California has one of the toughest use of force standards now in the nation. Governor Newsom signed a bill redefining how and when police can use deadly force. KCAL 9's Laurie Perez is live in the newsroom right now with a closer look at that bill. Laurie?
Well, Jeff, the question is how much this bill will affect the culture of policing in California. Civil rights groups are hopeful it will save lives. Law enforcement groups want more training and support. The law takes effect January 1st.
That's important.
Surrounded by family members of people killed by police who held pictures of their loved ones, Governor Gavin Newsom signed one of the strongest use of force laws in the nation, what supporters hope will limit fatal interactions. Officers are now allowed to use deadly force when necessary instead of when reasonable. It emphasizes de-escalation techniques like persuasion as alternatives to pulling a trigger. It also requires courts to evaluate an officer's conduct before and after deadly force is used in determining whether a shooting was justified. Governor Newsom says it sets the bar for the country, but there's still work to be done.
Training matters, yes. Accountability matters, certainly. Transparency, indeed, but culture, changing hearts, changing minds, changing our approach to dealing with one another.
Mark McCoy is the older brother of Willie McCoy, a 20-year-old rapper shot to death by Vallejo cops when he was discovered sleeping in his car with a gun in his lap. Police fired 55 rounds at him in less than 4 seconds.
The people of California are fed up. We are fed up with the harassment and violence perpetrated on our communities by police officers who are supposed to protect and serve us.
San Diego Assemblywoman Shirley Weber authored the so-called Stephon Clark Law, named after an unarmed man who was shot by Sacramento police in his backyard last year. The officers were not charged in his death and fueled growing concerns about police violence and its ties to race.
For 400 years, people of color have often had a different kind of justice than others in this nation. And after 400 years of demonstrating our commitment and our humanity to this nation, we deserve fairness and justice.
The Los Angeles Police Protective League, the Association for LA Deputy Sheriffs, and the San Bernardino Sheriffs Union issued a joint statement calling for the passage of a companion bill that would give officers mental health and continued de-escalation training. I'm live in the newsroom. I'm Laurie Perez. Back to you.